Welcome to Intermediate Power Yoga Chi Flow. My name is Travis Eliot, founder of Inner Dimension, a monthly streaming platform. Now in this particular practice, it's a blend between power yoga, Qigong, Shaolin, Kung Fu, dynamic, sweaty, and hopefully fun. Let's begin. Let's begin our intermediate power yoga chi flow and standing in mountain pose, spreading the feet out a little bit wider than the hips. Join the hands to prayer position in front of the chest. Take a moment, close the eyes as you center yourself here at the beginning of practice. And then take a deep inhale through the nose. And then out the mouth, exhale, let it go. As you blink the eyes open, release the arms down by the sides as we prepare for a little bit of Qigong. As you inhale, slowly draw the hands up towards the upper chest, the collarbones. Turn the palms down. And then as you exhale, move the hands down. Rotate the fingers out, in, palms to the sky. Inhale, bring it up. And exhale, bring it down. One more like that. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Now this time on the inhale, circle the arms all the way up above. And then as you exhale, you're going to wrap your right arm behind your lower back. You're going to bring your left hand behind your head. Take an inhale like that. And then on the exhale, you're going to turn and twist to the right, looking over that back right shoulder. Two more like that. Inhale, face forward. And then as you exhale, turn and twist. One more time. Inhale. And exhale, turn and twist. Now release out of that. We'll do the same thing on the other side. So inhale, both arms come up. This time, wrap the left arm around behind the back, right hand behind the head. Inhale there. And then exhale, turn and look over that back left shoulder. Inhale forward. And exhale, turn left. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. Now release out of that twist. Bring both arms all the way up above. As you inhale, big circle. Turn the palms down. Then as you exhale, move the hands all the way down. Now one arm circle. So right arm comes up as you inhale. Circle over and down as you exhale. Left arm up, inhale. And then over and down as you exhale, setting up for Qigong upward salute. So as you inhale, hands come up, rotate the fingers out and in. Same inhale, lift those palms to the sky. And then as you exhale, go ahead and fold out over your knees and your thighs, forward fold. Flat back as you inhale, either fingers to shins or fingertips on the mat. Step back to plank, up or push up. Pause there as we set up for plank circles. So shift the weight forward, then in a clockwise direction, come around and back. Then around to the left and back to the top. Two more. So inhale around the right and exhale around the left. Inhale right. And exhale, back to plank. We'll reverse that. So inhale now around to the left. And then exhale around the right. Inhale left. And exhale right. Last time, inhale. And exhale. Hold there. Take an inhale, strong upper body. And then as you exhale, lower with muscle all the way down into your belly. Release the tops of the feet. And then cobra, as you draw your right heel in towards your right hip, inhale, lift. And then exhale, lower back down. Other side, left foot in, inhale, chest up. And then exhale, lower the foot down. Now, cobra as you inhale, elbows in, collarbones wide. And then exhale, down dog, tuck the toes, lift the hips high. First down dog of our practice today. Feel free to move the body around in any way that feels good, feels right. As you begin to break through some of that stiffness and tightness. And then from here, as you inhale, you're going to reach the right hand back and tap your outer left leg or foot. And then exhale back to down dog, other side. Left hand reaches, inhale. Down dog, exhale. 2 more rounds. Inhale, right hand reach. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, left hand reach. Exhale, down dog. 1 more round. Inhale, right. And exhale, top of the mat. Inhale, left. And then exhale, set there, down dog. Spread the fingers wide. Take an inhale, stretch back as you drive down into the undersides of your knuckles. And then as you exhale, you're going to walk your feet forward, top of the mat. Flat back inhale, finding a little rhythm now. Forward fold, exhale. Inhale, rise, both arms all the way up. Palms down. Exhale, move the hands down. Chi Gong the hands up towards the upper chest, inhale, and then bring it down as you exhale. Big circle, both arms come up, and then right arm around the lower back, left hand behind the head, take an inhale there, and exhale, turn and twist to the right. Inhale, other side, arms come up, and exhale, left arm around behind the back, inhale, set. And exhale, turn, look back over the left. Then on the inhale, both arms come up. And then exhale, move it all the way down. Right arm up as you inhale. Circle over and down, exhale. Left arm up as you inhale. Over and down on the exhale. Qigong upward salute, inhale, hands rotate out and in. 1 long big inhale, press the arms above, and then fold over and down, exhale. Flat back, inhale. Plank on the exhale, pause there. Come around to the right, inhale, plank circle. Come around the left, exhale, we'll reverse that, inhale, left. And then exhale back to the top, hold there, inhale, strong upper body. And then exhale as you lower down, keeping those elbows in. Inhale, right foot in, chest lifts. And exhale, lower down, other side. Inhale, left heel in, chest lifts. Exhale, lower down. Cobra right up the middle, spread wide. And exhale, down dog. Draw that tailbone high. Right hand reaches back, inhale. Top of the mat, exhale. Left hand reaches, inhale. Top of the mat, exhale. 1 inhale to set yourself, down dog. And then on the exhale, both feet all the way forward. Flat back, inhale. Forward fold, exhale. Inhale, rise and float, both arms all the way up. And exhale, hands come down. Qigong it up as you inhale. Move it down, exhale. Big circle, both arms up. Right arm around behind the back. Inhale there. Exhale, twist over to the right. Inhale, both arms up. And exhale, left arm wraps. Inhale there. Exhale, turn left. Release that, both arms up, big circle. And exhale, hands down. Right arm up as you inhale. Circle over and down on the exhale. Left arm up as you inhale. And then over and down on the exhale. And then check this out, a little different. Both arms up as you inhale. And then bring the hands to prayer position on the exhale as we move on from that series. Scoot the feet together, big toes touch, bend the knees, squat back, and then interlace all the fingers except the indexes here. Then on the inhale, stand up, lean and stretch to the right, and then exhale, bring it back to center. Other side. Inhale, stand, interlace the fingers, stretch left, and then back to steeple, so you have this little hand flow as well. 2 more rounds. Inhale, lean right, and exhale, bring it back in. Inhale, expand, lean left, and exhale, bring it back in. 1 more round. Inhale, and exhale, consolidate the energy. Now inhale, radiate the energy, the chi, and then exhale, bring it back in. Beautiful. Now, both arms, circle up, chair pose. As you inhale, sit back, and then forward fold on the exhale, let it go. Flat back on the inhale, and then step or jump back and lower down. Traditional vinyasa on the exhale. Cobra or upward dog, you choose as you inhale. And then down dog on the exhale. Now from here, right leg up as you inhale. Right knee, left tricep, exhale. Right leg back, inhale. Right knee, right tricep, exhale. Inhale, right leg back. And then right knee to left arm, back foot spins flat. Lean into the right hand, shoot the left arm up, and extend your right leg out, lifting it off the ground, little side kick, arm balance. Take a goodbye inhale there. And then left hand down to the ground. Right leg charges back, inhale, 3-leg dog. And then exhale, right foot forward, top of the mat, spin the back foot flat. And then let's rise to a warrior 1. Both arms reach vertical to the sky. Fingers spread wide. Breath steady as can be. Take an inhale, reach up there. And then the warrior bow on the exhale. So you're going to bend the right elbow, drop it down to your inner right knee. Left arm to the sky, right palm faces your chest and your heart. Breathe. Good. Now it's slow motion. Check this out. Come back up to warrior 1 as you inhale. And then as you exhale, you're going to turn the right foot in parallel to your left foot. You're going to angle the left toe slightly back. And then you're going to allow the arms to come down and face the back of your yoga mat. So this is what we call crouching tiger. And I'm just going to rotate my body around so that those of you at home can see. But it kind of looks like this. So you're bending your right elbow about 90 degrees. Your left arm extends back, and then you bring your first 2 fingers together on both hands. And as that weight goes back, you're gazing forward towards the top of your yoga mat. All right, so that's the crouching tiger. I'm gonna get back on the right side here so I don't get confused. From here now, left arm's gonna come down, reverse circle all the way back to your reverse warrior. So left hand low, right arm up and back, getting long and lean through that right side body. Take an inhale there to find the peak, explore your edge, and then back to warrior 2. Now, first 2 fingers of right hand are actually, let's do this. Let's create an L through the right hand, and let's create an L through the back hand. The right hand goes up, the back one goes down. Then you're gonna lean forward and you're gonna drive out through that right arm. Now, left hand's gonna reach forward like you're grabbing a string on a bow and arrow. And then you're gonna inhale, pull that left arm back as you drive forward through that right arm. And then you release the arrow, grab number 2, inhale back, exhale, let it go. One more time. Inhale, grab, reach back, exhale, let it go. Now reverse the warrior, inhale, and then vinyasa on the exhale. So you lower down, same exhalation, followed by a huge inhalation. Your breath leads to the chi, to the prana. And exhale back, down dog. Second side, left leg up, inhale. Left knee, right arm, exhale. Inhale back. Left knee, left arm, other side. Inhale back. Left knee, right arm, hold there. Spin that back foot flat. Right arm shoots up. Left leg extends out, little arm balance. Notice the breath still remains fluid. One more inhale there. And then right hand down. Left leg back, inhale. Left foot top of the mat, back foot flat. When you're ready, warrior one. Both arms all the way up to the sky, building that strength in that lower body. In a lot of martial arts training, it all starts with what they call stance training, which is holding these positions and building strength in the lower body because it's the root of the rest of the body. One more inhale, reach up, and then warrior bow. So bending that left elbow, inner left knee, left thigh, right arm reaches up. If it feels okay on the neck, you can turn your gaze up. Find your drishti looking up. Beautiful. And with that warrior humility, rise back up to warrior one, reaching those arms up. And then here comes that crouching tiger. So left foot turns in parallel to the right, right toes angle slightly back. And then those arms gently flow towards the back. Left elbow bends 90 degrees. Right arm extends back straight. First two fingers together. And as that momentum of the body's moving back, your drishti looks forward towards the top of your mat. And then again, like you're moving through water, be like water, my friend. Angle those left toes slightly forward. Right arm comes down, reverse circle, all the way back to reverse warrior. Right hand down, left arm up and back. There's a kung fu poem that says, once in the stillness of the morning mist, the true warrior soared like the crane. Strength, agility, and spirit. Combine these and like the wind, you too shall fly. Big inhale, reach back. And then exhale, warrior two. Create that L shape. L left hand up. L back, right hand down. Lean forward. Bow and arrow. Inhale, right hand reaches. Exhale, draw back. Let it go. Inhale, reach. Exhale, pull back with strength, with precision. Let it go. One more time. Inhale, back. Exhale, let it go. Reverse the warrior inhale. And then vinyasa on the exhale. Lower down with control. Inhale, sternum high, shoulders roll. Exhale, down dog. And now we flow. Inhale, stretch back. Exhale, walk or lightly jump. Top of the mat. Flat back inhale. Fold, exhale, squat. Chair pose, inhale. Hands in front of the heart, steeple, exhale. Stand up, lean right, inhale. Bring it back down and in, exhale. Inhale, stand, lean left. Exhale, bring it back in. Chair on the inhale, igniting that chi. Forward fold, straighten the legs and the knees. Flat back inhale, breathe it deep, breathe it low. Exhale, come back and lower with muscle. Inhale, moving with the wind of breath. Exhale, down dog. Here we go. Right leg up, inhale. Right knee, left tricep, exhale. Inhale, back. Exhale, right arm. Inhale, back. Exhale, left arm, back foot flat. Inhale, side kick through balance. Exhale, left hand to floor. Inhale, right leg charges back. Exhale, top of the mat, back foot flat. Warrior one, inhale, come up. Warrior bow, right arm inner right knee, left arm up. Here it comes, you guys. Inhale, warrior one. Crouching tiger, right foot turns in. Arms swing to the back, gaze forward. Then reverse the warrior, left arm up and back, right arm reaches. Exhale, warrior two, bow and arrow. Left hand reaches forward, inhale. Pull it back, exhale. Reverse the warrior, inhale. And then vinyasa, windmill those arms and keep sailing with the breath. Inhale, harnessing its power. Exhale, down dog, left leg up, inhale. Left knee, right arm, exhale. Inhale back, left knee, left tricep. Inhale back, right arm, exhale, back foot flat. Inhale, side kick balance. Exhale, hand to floor. Inhale, left leg back. Exhale, top of the mat. Inhale, rise, warrior one. Exhale, warrior bow. Inhale, back to warrior one. Exhale, crouching tiger. Inhale, reverse that warrior. Exhale, warrior two, L style. Inhale, reach forward. Exhale, pull back. Inhale, reverse. And exhale, down towards the ground. Huge inhale, your breath is your power. Exhale back, down dog. Take a big inhale through the nose. And then out the mouth, exhale, let it go. Now you can feel that inner warmth. You can feel that manifestation of chi. Take an inhale, stretch back. And then exhale, walk or jump. Top of the mat. Flat back inhale. Fold, exhale. Inhale, rise and float. Both arms up. Hands behind the head and neck. Good. Now, from here, right knee lifts up towards the right elbow. Right foot down, other side. Left knee up towards the left elbow. And then side to side here, activating those obliques, those side abdominals here. Find your rhythm, find your flow, find your tempo, and find your speed. You have it in you, you can pick up the pace a little bit. Pace of the body, pace of the heart, so create a little cardio as well. Last 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both arms down. Good job. Chi Gong it. Regulate yourself. Inhale. And exhale. 2 more. Inhale. And exhale. 1 more. Inhale. And exhale. Beautiful. Now bring the feet together side by side. Bend the knees. Squat back, chair pose. Lean into the right foot. Lift the left leg up. Grab the underside of your left foot, both hands. And then extend that left leg straight out in front of you. Coming into balance, coming into agility, coming into flexibility. 1 last inhale there. And then airplane, warrior 3. Take 1 inhale there, just passing through. Both hands down to the ground, standing splits. Take an inhale, lift that left leg up. And then lunge the left toes to the back of the mat. Step the right foot back to plank. And then option to come onto your fist here. Focusing between your first and your second knuckle. 3 yogi style push-ups. Inhale, lower halfway. Exhale, push up. Inhale, 2 more. Exhale, rise up. Last one, inhale. Exhale, come up, nice. Palms flat. Take an inhale there, and then exhale, lower, light like air. Inhale, but strong like steel. Exhale, down dog. Stretch back, inhale. Walk or jump, top of the mat. Exhale. Flat back, inhale. Fold, exhale. Bend the knees, squat back, and then chair pose. Reach those arms all the way up. Now lean into your left foot. Lift that right leg up. And then grab the underside of that right foot, both hands. And then flirt with extending that right leg straight out in front of you. Maybe a little tremble, a little earthquake in that left leg. One last inhale, building that strength there. Airplane, right leg back. Balancing on that left foot. Take an inhale to soar. And then both hands mindfully to the floor. Inhale, right leg lifts up. And then lunge the right toes to the back of the mat. Step the left foot back to plank. Come back onto your knuckles. Now lift the right hand up to the right waist, inhale. Set it down, exhale, other side. Inhale, left hand up, left waist. Exhale, set it down. 2 more rounds. Inhale, right hand lifts. Exhale, set it. Inhale, left hand lifts. Exhale, set it. 1 more round. Inhale, right. Exhale, place it. Inhale, left. Exhale, place it. 1 yogi push-up. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, come up. Palms flat. Goodbye, inhale there. And then exhale, lower slow. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, back, down dog. Huge inhale through the nose. And then out the mouth, exhale, side out. Good job, you guys. You made it. Take an inhale, stretch back. And then relax the knees down onto the mat. Crawl the knees forward about halfway up the mat. Cross the feet behind you. Release down onto the sit bones. And then turn your body to face the right, setting up for in yin yoga what we call dragonfly. So legs out to the side. And then you can just begin to fold over and down to your own degree. If you have props, you can always use that to go underneath the arms if you want. You can also place the block to go underneath the forehead, support the weight of the head. And then just start to slow the breath back down. Slow the mind back down. Very, very important that when we need to, we can push our foot onto the accelerator so the engine of our body, our nervous system, is strong and robust when we need to amp things up. But equal to that is the ability to be able to apply the brake, to be able to slow back down. And these are indicative of the 2 branches of our nervous system, sympathetic and parasympathetic, yang and yin, masculine and feminine, and speaks to the wisdom that it's all about the balance between strength and suppleness, flow and stillness, power and grace, and that when you find the synergy between those 2 opposing but complementary forces of energy, then you're truly on the path of health, wisdom, mindfulness, and longevity. Last couple breaths there. Beautiful. From here, go ahead and ease your way all the way back up. And turn the body around to face the front. Cross the legs. Let's come into a kneeling position. If you want, you can sit on a block if that's more comfortable. And bring those arms all the way up above as you inhale. And then both hands back to prayer position in front of your chest, in front of your heart, giving gratitude to your practice, to inspiring you to be the true warrior, moving with strength, agility, and spirit like the crane, and flying not only through this practice, but also taking flight through the entire rest of your day. Much health, much wealth, much love to you. Namaste. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed that practice. I hope your chi is feeling awakened. Drop a comment down below and let me know how it was. Please remember to hit that YouTube subscribe button. And if you like this style of practice, check out my program, Flow and Stretch, available at Inner Dimension Yoga. There's a link down below where you can start your 10-day free trial. Thank you again for your practice and hope to see you real soon.